Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa and Miss Jam Tours channel family. So we're actually heading to the market, and Miss Jam Tours will be doing our daily vlogs of going to the market. She's the one shop when she go to the market. Only when she was pregnant, I used to be the one to go and shop, but now she doing the shopping. So we have Amesh tied down in his car seat. He's eating plantain. Amesh, what you eating? What you eating? Give me a piece. Eating plantain. Take it. It's yours. Amesh, take it. You don't want it back? Alright, let me eat it for you. So you're relaxing, alright? So I'm waiting on Miss Jam Tours to come. Jamesh pooped down the place, big load. So Miss Jam Tours changing him right now. So we just here waiting on her to come. Amesh is chopped down. The car at? Bye bye. Tell them bye bye. Bye bye. Alright family, so let's wait on Miss Jam Tours. Continue watching this vlog while she take you to the market.
Good afternoon, my wonderful people. It's Miss Jam Tours back again, and it's later in the day. It's the same day that I did the plantains. Okay, so I just decided to start this vlog like all over again because we are on our way to the market, and we are here enjoying our plantains with baby Hamesh, Jammy, and Habi. Okay, so guys, come along with us. We are going to the same market we normally go to, Parklands market. It's called City Market or Parklands market, which is which? Sometimes I confuse.
City Market, really.
It's not City
Market. City Market in town.
Oh yeah. Guys, City Market is the one for fish, right?
Yeah.
But the place is called City Park. Love, those two words can easily confuse you.
Yeah.
So there's City Park and City Market. Although City Park is where now the people normally go and chill, and not just anybody. You know what I mean, love?
Yeah.
I really don't want to call them that, but let's say like the casual laborers, if I've really used the most decent word, maybe if you just went to chill and love, in Kiku we call them Gotega. Like you don't want to call them jobless because they're not jobless. Yeah. Like you see where people normally go and wait to see if something comes up. Yeah, if that's the word I should. But people, they're not jobless. At least they still get something because the market is there, and the mkokoteni or the cart that the donkey carries.
Which should I go to?
We people normally pull it with the items in the market, so that's why I get to confuse what's the name of the market. So guys, we are on our way there. We just left home and it's really late. Love, what time is it? 2 p.m.
Yeah.
Akibi. My love, what time is it?
2:40.
Almost 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
from morning.
Fast and quick, she asked me the price. You want to send it to her.
Sorry, Happy is I think on a call or something, or voice noting. Anyway, guys, it's almost 3 p.m.
Yeah.
This has been so late, not like how I expected it to be, but it's alright. Things happen. I normally say if we were just the two of us,
yeah,
I'm sure we would have left a long time ago and maybe come back. But now you have kids, guys. Let me tell you. Imagine. Guys, let me tell you something. Do you know?
The entire day, just surrounding around your kids.
Yeah,
if you're gonna grow them right, you know that.
I'm telling you, and you have to be there.
You have to be in the morning and drop them to school and this.
Yeah.
And maybe pick them up back, carry them, go to extra extra thing. And then you're done. You can't do nothing.
And love, do you know every stage has its own work?
Yeah.
Because like now when Hamesh starts going to school, that's something else.
Yeah.
and it's sooner or later because we want him to start play group.
Yeah.
Very soon. So anyway, guys, as I was saying, you won't believe that Happy came out of the house, of course, to put the car seat and all that, put a mesh inside, and I'm on my way out.
Yeah.
Like we are coming out of the house, only for Jamesh to do his thing.
Yeah.
So, which is okay. I mean, I'm not complaining.
Yeah.
So Jamesh pooped until it came off like everywhere. So, so I had to change everything because these are not the clothes I had removed for him in the morning.
Yeah.
So I had to change him up, everything, like almost even wash him again because of course you have to wash him again.
Yeah.
But I did that quick, and we are on our way. So guys, come along with me. Love, do we have another errand? No?
No.
Okay. So stay tuned, guys. We are going to the market.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours come back from the market. Rain a fall, rain a come down right now. And she a try to organize things. They get so what's up.
Yeah.
Them look so good, sweetie.
Ooh, they're nice.
Yeah, they're full of worm. You pull it, you open it.
Imagine it's nice.
You open it.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
When have I ever bought something bad?
You know when them black like that, when them black like that, family, sometimes them are worm.
The poor man has
So the lighter them lighter the sour sap, at the night side be like if it have a clear look, green look. Yeah, family, so this is some planting for the restaurant. Grand Jam Reggae Bistro, make sure you check it out. So my thing there for the restaurant. So this are the ginger, onion,
I got some lime.
lime.
Some lime.
Oh, the lime is sour lime. Yeah.
See our lime.
Yeah.
So let me then go get that thing.
Yeah.
So that you can go home.
Yeah, the rain will fall right now.
And imagine it didn't look like this is very nice.
Yeah?
Didn't look so. Let me go on.
Alright, go on.
You told me one, eh?
Yeah. Close the door. Rain a fall, breeze a blow, a mesh. Yeah? Guy. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours come back. Drizzle a little. Yeah, man, big up. Guy, the car back full of things. When Miss Jam Tours go shop, she get a whole lot of stuff.
For cheap things, eh?
Okay, you know, so it's her tribe in the market. Everybody in the market, sweetie, is Kikuyu. I'm telling you.
And everywhere I'm buying.
Everywhere you go.
A top up.
Yeah. So
These
that's it.
These avocados. She has whispered in my ears. They are for 40 shillings, but I'll give you for 20 shillings.
Yeah, family. So if you don't know Kenyan run, the business people and them run the country.
And I'm telling you, when I go to this market, make sure you buy it.
Yeah.
So love your stuff out there. Or you just want
Busy for the restaurant family.
want to pack them for you, nice.
And then the restaurant.
Just 200.
How much?
200.
People, you tell me, can you get this for 200 Jamaican dollars?
200, that's $1, right?
200 Jamaican dollars in Jamaica. Tell me, that costs like 1,000.
All these 400 shillings. Believe it or not. Believe it or not.
Sweetie, I'm just laughing right now because people should know this.
But
$100 can't get buy nothing in Jamaica.
he just normally by laughing. I'm saying, alright.
Eh?
He's having the mouth to talk.
Hold on. Yeah, family. So we're actually in the Kenya, in a market in a Kenya family, and I just want to let you know the prices for things. How much is it for this watermelon, sweetie?
160, 150 there.
150 Jamaican dollar.
Yeah.
How much for these tomatoes that you have?
This tomato,
Yeah.
100 bob.
100 Jamaican dollar family. So you tell me now. Yo. Yeah, people, I'm telling you. This is one of the reasons why I trade.
You love Kenya.
I trade Jamaica for Kenya.
I'm sure you
Because your money go a long way.
To eat right now?
Yeah, we can eat one of that now. Yeah, family. So one of
Yes,
these is for 100.
Yeah.
100 Jamaican dollars. Everything else is 100 Jamaican. Everything is for 100 Jamaican dollar here, so. How much for the sour sop?
How much did I buy it? 180.
180. 180 Jamaican dollar for sour sop, family. Coconut, how much?
50 per beach.
50 Jamaican dollar. So family, you hear that? I don't know hope you know that. I hope you hear that and know that, family. Me there, man, me there. Big up yourself and big up Jamaica.
Dikuara.
Yeah.
Unruly.
Unruly, yes sir.
Yeah.
Alright.
Unruly.
Alright, family. So that guy say him say unruly. So you see the thing said, family, say Kenya with the Africa. And if you think about coming, family, you better think about coming back to Africa to save yourself right now, because you guys even know what is that going on in the US right now. Another project is in the US, and once they create that project, a lot of things are gonna happen, family. So a lot of people getting excited, but they don't even know. Yeah, family, this is the last hope, and this is where we all came from, and this is where life starts, this is where creation starts. So shall it be in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. So if you don't know, now you know, family. So Miss Jam Tour is there, I work out the maths, pay and all kind of thing. Yeah. So I hope you guys actually understand and know what is what, and that is that. So like, share and comment on this video, family. Let me know your thoughts. Miss Jam Tours maybe come and finish up. So let's go. Amesh should be on the phone. See him there on the phone. Amesh. Jamesh asleep, you know? You can't sleep too. We are pressing on the phone there, so. We are press. What you pressing on the phone? What you pressing on the phone? Tell me. What you swiping like a pro? Yeah? Eh? You know Netflix, eh? Netflix, you know what you're coming out of it now. And tapping. Hmm? Eh? Yeah, Amesh? Ami. Eh? Jamesh asleep, the family, so let's go. Alright, family, let's go. Miss Jam Tours are come now.
My beautiful people, my wonderful people, my everybody people. I'm back to end this video at here. We're gonna wrap it up at this with Hamesh, pick up the call. Mommy is calling, Shosho is calling. Pick it up. Say hello. Guys, Hamesh loves calling my mom, as you can see. Hear them? Did you know mom has returned Hamesh call?
Yeah?
Mom has returned his call. Love.
Oh,
Okay, sorry. Oh my god.
I think it's when you run across the road, you know, like that.
Guys, you don't know what would have just happened. Anyway, Mommy's on a call with Hamesh. Hamesh called Mommy and Mommy was busy. So, you can see it on the call. Tell Shushu something. With a cow. So Sora kuiroge dia Jamesh. Greet Jamesh. Sawa mami. Mami. Mom loves calling, Hamesh loves calling mom. So most of the time he'll be picking my phone and calling my mom when I don't know. I don't know how he got to know of all that, but yeah, he does. So I'm here breastfeeding Jammy. Thank God Jamesh slept all along, like, Mommy, newa hore ke? Kiari ye, no kwaenda gukwira goka. Sawa, bye. Nitokwaria wakinya mucie. Na ithe ni hindi tumite thoko. Aya, bye. Guys, that's my mom. Like in a day, Hamesh can call my mother I don't know how many times, but anyway, this is so nice. We are on our way home and it started raining when I was, busy here and there with market things and stuff like that. But thank God Jamesh was asleep because I came breastfeeding him, so he was okay, and ready to just sleep. Yeah, so let me show you what outside looks like. Love, do you love your jackfruits? You do? That's my baby boo driving. My baby boo.
Eating jackfruit.
Yes, my darling. And that's what Nairobi KE looks like. Hamesh, Shusho just said she's leaving to go home. Yes, guys, I cannot open the window because of baby and rain and the wind. So that's it. Let's go home. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Alright? Bye-bye.
Yeah, family, so we just come back from the market and Jamesh is wet. Amesh is wet like a chicken. Look at him. Yeah?
Stop shaking your own. It's okay for me.
That's not shaming, sweetie. What does he shaming? Oh. Yeah?
Yes, my dear.
Yeah, family, so this is everything that we brought back from the market.
Why should you show him when he looks like that?
As you can see, it's 4 or 5 bag. 5 big bag full of things plus 2
Okay,
watermelon.
Papa, go get changed.
A little bit of money here in Kenya. So, if you don't make up your mind yet, try to make up your mind and forward.
This is for like...
This is one of the reasons why I trade Jamaica for Kenya. One of the main reason. Main reason, family. So, I don't know. But you gotta find your reason why you wanna be in Africa, why you wanna be in Kenya. I am just here to show and tell, and if you want forward or not, it's up to you.
All this for how much?
How much did you pay? I give you about 6,000 shillings.
Yeah.
I give her 6,000 shillings. That's like 7,000 Jamaican dollars.
And don't forget there are also things for the restaurant.
Yeah, things for the restaurant.
Like, so if I was buying only for the house, I wouldn't have used all that. Maybe like 5K or so.
Yeah.
Even paying the party money, in fact,
Everything.
everything is just included. He wants the jackfruit.
Jackfruit, I'm crying for the jackfruit.
Yeah. Alright, my darling, so let me
Unpack avocado
my
for 40 Jamaican dollar for one of this.
no. Okay, yeah, that one I bought at a different place, as you can see.
How much was for that one?
This one was like for 40 bob, that one. But this one is 20 shillings.
20 Jamaican dollar,
20,
family.
like 20. So when I got there,
When you say 20 Jamaican dollar, it has to be like 30 Jamaican dollar.
I
Because
remember there's a day you told me with 20 bob you cannot buy anything.
then we can buy a sweetie. Alright, if you're in Jamaica right now, comment and tell me what $100 can buy, $500 can buy, $1,000 can buy. $50 can buy Jamaican dollar, what it can buy in Jamaica.
No, really.
Because those things in Kenya, that amount of money get you so much things.
This
As you
is
can
for
see,
100.
100 Jamaican dollar.
100 JMT.
Yeah. So tell me, who don't want to live in a place, a country that is green, Food is cheap. Food is organic. What else more you want, family? That
love,
I think that's long life.
If I got to this place first, I wouldn't have bought these. And then this one I love them because most of the time the green ones are normally avocado.
Yeah,
and
normally
blue
nice.
band.
Yeah.
If you know what blue band means, I mean you know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I also got some nice green bananas
Oh yeah.
for Amiami.
Yeah.
And for us too. Guess this is how much?
Hey, how much? 150
Yes.
Jamaican dollar.
150 actually.
Wow, look at that watermelon.
And he gave me this. Oh no.
Imagine one little piece, like one little slice, is for 100 shillings. No, they normally serve it in like a little bag. How much for these grapes?
Some grapes
How much for these grapes?
for 400.
400. 400 Jamaican dollar for these
400.
grapes.
This is for how much? 100. Yeah, the bell peppers 100.
And when you buy in the market,
Then-
family, you don't left your eye and dry. They always give you something. So that's
So
the.
this one was given by the old man I bought the bananas from.
Yeah.
He told me, my daughter, I'm giving you avocado. So
All right, family. Enough is enough. And if you don't want to know, I'm showing you. So, Megan, one love, God bless, Jamaica. We are out.
love.
Subscribe
Before you
and
go
share.
out, before
Yeah.
you go out, I'll be left unpacking. Oh,